Hello EDC Cooperative. Right, this is going to be a pocket dump of what's actually in my pockets today, and it's just gone February 2020. So, in the back pocket is the Dango Bi fold wallet. Do like that thing. In my pocket is the original Harris Tweed Hank by Firefly 15. Always worth checking these makers out, and I'll put all the links below. In my front left pocket, carry the Keybar. This one is the nitride coated in titanium, but it's actually got a copper back in there. This one comes with the Innova Design tritium, AG knife and key and comb. Also in that pocket is today it's the Rotablade, and this is the rotastone in titanium. Also in that pocket, which I always carry in my left side pocket, is my flashlight, and this one is the Reylight Krystal in the titanium. This one actually has the red secondary dragon, and this one has, you can see that it's a Damascus bead, and that's by Rowlandsmetalworks from Ireland. So in my right side pocket I have one of our V1 challenge coins. One I was carrying mini meat. Also I've got the Muskandhustle Nitro stubby, and this is the number 6, quite hard to see. In my pocket, my pry bar today is the beefy Zackwood popping prize, the Z-Wear. A bit of a matching theme today. I've got me, this is MIG, made by Shane Marks. This is the pen, and I've actually swapped it out for the Cooperative clip as well. My other knife today is in Hitch Timber sleeve. Is a modified electrician. I've been after one of these in this style for a long time, so I was quite chuffed to get it. Also, I'm carrying little earbuds. On my hands I have the Suunto Traverse graphite watch, and at the moment I have it on a Hawkrigger Parabella. I have a ceramic ring, a Leatherman Tread. Lots been said about the Leatherman Treads, and I'll be honest, I love it to bits. Can't fault it. Done another video actually, so worth checking that one out if you ever want to see a review of it, what we've done, because I always carry it. My Cooperative batch. As a rule, I will also put everything where I can in my Hitch Timber little leather caddy. My main blade today is the Michael Morris friction folder. And finally, the Burnley Cypop contra. This is titanium and stainless. So that is everything. Lightened me up a bit, and surprising what you can fit in your pockets. But yeah, that's everything. So it's good to see what you've got, and we like to see what you've got. Come join us on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and all the rest of the social media platforms. Great to see you. Take care, everyone.